Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel, and happy new year to each and every one of you. So I have been MIA for the last month, and I do apologize for that, but I'm here now and I'm going to be posting more, hopefully. And yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. So if you're interested in that, please stick around and let's go. To start off, I'm going to show you what you need to do the eyebrow. So first thing you're going to need is a spoolie. This is a brush and it helps to comb the eyebrows. You're going to need a sharp pencil. Make sure the pencil is sharp. Third thing you're going to need is a brush to clean off, the eyebrow. So this is the brush that I use. And the other thing you're going to need is a blending brush. And of course, you're going to need concealer or foundation, depending on your preference, to clean up the eyebrow. So let's get started in drawing this eyebrow. The first thing I love to do is comb my eyebrow up and sideways. Then the next thing, I take my pencil, and I need my pencil to be sharp. So I'm going to sharpen it. So here is my pencil. The way I do it is that I start in the middle of the eyebrow and draw short strokes until I reach the end. Then I draw another from the middle up until I join the down one. So let's go. So hope you can see that the first line is drawn. So then I'm going to draw up. And to do that, I comb the hair down and then draw from the middle here. So this is the outline of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to fill it in. I love an eyebrow that is kind of light, so I'm going to fill it in lightly. And then at the beginning of the eyebrow, I'm going to draw hair-like strokes going up. And then to the sides, I'm going to follow the way my eyebrow grows. My eyebrow hairs at the front here, they grow going up, but at this end, they grow going backwards. So I'm going to follow that. Hope you can see. At the front of the eyebrow, you draw hair-like strokes going up. So, for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Wala Vixen. I am a makeup artist based in Kampala, Uganda. And on this channel, we do hauls, we do makeup, we do sit down talking about the business of makeup in Uganda. And yeah, we do a lot of things. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing my videos. Yeah, and you'll be welcome to the family. So I'm done drawing the hair-like strokes. So at this stage, I am done drawing the eyebrow. Now we are on to the next one, and that is the cleaning up. I'm going to use a lighter shade of concealer, and then I'm going to use a foundation. I get the product on my flat brush. This is a flat angled brush. So I get product, and then I start still in the middle of the eyebrow and clean up. So I do that. I take my time doing this because I want it to be clean and crisp. So I do short strokes. I use a lighter concealer for only my brow bone, and then the rest of the eyebrow I use my foundation shade. I still do short strokes so that I'm careful. Now I'm done cleaning up the bottom part of my eyebrow. I'm going to blend, and I start with a lighter concealer. So I blend. Look at that. I have a lift at the brow bone, and then the rest of my eyebrow is, it's blended into my skin, and that's what you look for when you're cleaning up the eyebrow. So to clean up the upper part of my eyebrow, I use my foundation shade. So yeah, this is how your eyebrow should be looking when everything is done. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope you've taken something from my technique, and I hope you consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.